In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier for Lite to Wi-Fi for easy control through the My Home app. Once it's connected, you'll be able to monitor and adjust it right from your phone. First, plug in your air purifier and turn it on. Make sure the Wi-Fi light on the display is blinking. If it's not, press and hold the power and mode buttons together for a few seconds until it starts flashing. This means it's ready to pair. Next, download and open the My Home app on your smartphone. Sign in or create an account, then tap the plus icon to add a new device. Search for Air Purifier for Lite and select it from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your purifier to your home Wi-Fi. Be sure you're using a 2.4 GHz network, as the purifier doesn't support 5 GHz. Once connected, the Wi-Fi light will stay solid, and you can control it directly from the app. That's it! Your Xiaomi Air Purifier is now online and ready to use. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart home tips.